Isn't it a blizzard, boy? Holiday! What are you doing? Holiday, man. Got it. It's blizzard out here, man. What are you doing out here? Yep, you're like, nope, I'm not going over there. And then you want to have some fun. Koda. Having some fun in the snow. Look at that, there's a bum. There's a bum, boy. Koda. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold it in, hold it in. Jesus Christ. Koda. He's like, yeah, America. Hold it in, man. Look at that. Frozen solid. Hold it in, man. There's your water, boy. Cold ass water. Hold it in, man. It's fucking solid. Let it move, drink out of it. Okay. Hold it in, man. Look at your back. Look at this, man. Solid. Man, isn't it blizzard? Jesus Christ. Look at that. Hold it in. Hold it in. Holy crap. I think I'm gonna go down there. No way. Koda. I don't think I'm gonna go down there. What are you doing? Get out of here.